Looking for a reliable cordless drill, but tired of overhyped promises? The Craftsman V20 CMCD700C1 claims to be a game changer with powerful performance and versatility. But here's what surprised me. The drill isn't perfect, and some hidden issues could trip you up. In fact, many users overlook certain flaws that could impact your work. Today, I'm giving you an honest review you won't find in those flashy ads, covering everything from power to battery life and build quality. Stick around because by the end, you'll know if this drill deserves a spot in your toolbox or not. The Craftsman V20 CMCD700C1 advertises a high-performance 1/2-inch cordless drill driver with 280 unit watts out UO and a 2-speed gearbox for tackling different applications efficiently. It boasts features like a keyless chuck for quick bit changes, integrated LED light for dark workspaces, and a 20V max lithium battery promising up to 60 minutes of runtime per charge. Sounds impressive, right? But is it all smoke and mirrors? If you're a DIY enthusiast, homeowner, or even a beginner tradesperson looking for an affordable but decent drill under $60, this might seem like a perfect fit. However, if you're a pro or need consistent heavy-duty performance, you'll want to hear about some unexpected limitations that often go unnoticed. So, what's the deal with the battery performance? While Craftsman advertises a 20V max lithium battery with fast charging in 60 minutes or less, real-world use tells a different story. The battery's runtime might be enough for small house projects, but if you're drilling or fastening extensively, don't be surprised when that light flickers sooner than expected. The charger may claim a quick charge, but some users reported their batteries barely made it through a day on moderate use without needing a recharge. Therefore, if you're planning big projects, consider this a warning flag. Now, let's talk about the motor and power output. The 280 UWO, unit watts out, suggests a solid bit of muscle to handle wood, metal, and plastic with ease. The drill comes with a 2-speed gearbox offering 0 to 350 RPM for control and screw driving, and 0 to 1500 RPM for faster drilling. Great on paper, but here's the catch. Some users experience inconsistent torque, especially at higher speeds. This can result in stripped screws or difficulty penetrating tougher materials. One customer humorously mentioned that the drill had less bite than a Chihuahua, highlighting its struggle with demanding jobs. So, promising versatility but delivering a bit inconsistent power. Switching gears to design and ergonomics, which can make or break your drilling experience. The CMCD700C1 is surprisingly comfortable to hold. The grip is ergonomic with balanced weight distribution, making prolonged use easier on your wrists. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful feature, illuminating tight, dark corners quite well. However, the chuck, while keyless for fast bit changes, sometimes feels flimsy. During intense use, you may have to double-check bit security to avoid it loosening mid-task. Definitely not ideal when you're halfway through a project. And what about durability? The Craftsman brand carries a legacy of toughness, but this model's plastic casing and components sometimes raise eyebrows. This isn't built for heavy industrial use, and hammering it through constant drops or impacts may cause premature wear, including cracking around the chuck or handle area. Honestly, if you're clumsy like me, don't expect this drill to be your lifelong partner. It needs some gentle TLC. Still, for light to medium household projects, it could fare just fine. Before I get to the good stuff, let me share a quick funny moment. A reviewer joked that using this drill was like trying to impress a date by showing off your dance moves but accidentally stepping on their toes. Awkward but memorable. It captures that fine line of this drill trying hard but sometimes missing the mark. You might wonder, why pay $59 when other brands offer similar specs? Good question. Craftsman's strong warranty, 3 years limited, offers peace of mind. Plus, their V20 battery platform is compatible with a wide range of Craftsman tools, which is great if you plan to build a toolkit over time. Additionally, the drill is compatible with the Versatrack hang hook, making storage neat and accessible. Alright, now to the juicy part. Who exactly is this drill perfect for? If you're a weekend warrior doing light to moderate drilling or fastening around the house, the Craftsman V20 CMCD700C1 gives you convenience and enough power to get the job done without breaking the bank. It's ideal for tasks like assembling furniture, installing shelves, hanging curtain rods, or minor repairs. The keyless chuck and LED light add usability on small projects and dark corners. It's also great for beginners who want to invest in a reliable, user-friendly drill without the intimidating price tag. But if you're a professional tradesperson or need strong, dependable performance for heavy-duty tasks like framing, masonry, or prolonged use, this drill may disappoint. The inconsistent torque and battery limitations could slow your workflow unexpectedly. So, think of this as a solid entry-level or household option rather than an industrial workhorse. Let's dive deeper into the battery situation, because it's a deal-breaker for many. The Craftsman V20's 20V Max lithium battery promises ample runtime, but several user reviews mention performance drops after repeated charges. In some cases, batteries fail prematurely or don't hold charge as advertised. Since the drill is cordless, battery life directly affects productivity, and replacement batteries can add cost. My advice: if you plan on continuous or heavy use, consider investing in an extra battery or alternative brands with longer-lasting power packs. Here's another twist. While the drill has a 2-speed gearbox, which is great for versatility, the speed switch placement isn't the smoothest. Switching between speeds can feel clunky and less intuitive, especially for left-handed users or during fast-paced jobs. It's a small design flaw but adds to the frustration factor over time. Think of it like wearing shoes that look stylish but pinch in just the wrong spot. Now, before you think I'm all doom and gloom, here's the silver lining. Despite its flaws, the drill's performance gets high praise for light projects. Many buyers highlight its lightweight feel, decent power for small jobs, and the convenience of quick bit changes. The LED light, often overlooked, receives fan mail for enhancing visibility in tricky tight workspaces, because who wants to play flashlight man while fixing shelves? And let's not forget the price point. At just around $59 on Amazon, this is one of the most affordable drills with 20V lithium-ion tech out there. You're not going to find this combination of price, brand, and features easily. It's a perfect buy if you're budget-conscious but want a capable tool for everyday tasks. The 4.7-star rating reflects the overwhelming customer satisfaction when used within its limits. Oh, and a quick joke for the pros out there. Why did the drill go to therapy? Because it couldn't handle the pressure. But seriously, this drill manages well under moderate pressure but struggles when pushed too hard, so keep that in mind. Wrapping it all up, should you buy the Craftsman V20 CMCD700C1? If you fit the profile of a DIY hobbyist, homeowner, or even a beginner on a budget looking for a reasonably powered cordless drill with user-friendly features, then yes, this drill is worth considering. It comes with a well-known warranty, decent power, and convenient features like the LED light and Versatrack compatibility. However, if you need a workhorse for professional or heavy-duty use, this may not be the right fit due to inconsistent torque, battery life concerns, and build quality limitations. To sum up, this drill shines best in light to medium household tasks, making it a handy and affordable tool for everyday repair needs. It's like the dependable sidekick in your toolbox, not the superhero saving the day every time. But sometimes, that's all you need. Remember, perfect tools don't always have to cost a fortune. If you want the best price on the Craftsman V20 CMCD700C1, check out the link in the description below. Don't miss out on a solid deal for a tool that can take care of your home projects with ease. Thanks for watching and happy drilling. Just try not to step on any toes, okay?